A constable in Hays County will never wear a badge in Texas again. This comes 1 year after we launched a KXAN investigation into multiple criminal allegations against Constable Ray Helm. Helm's surrender comes as he faced possible prosecution on multiple felonies. KXAN investigator Jody Barr started this investigation, and he ends it tonight with the deal the constable made with the Texas Attorney General.
Well, the deal was simple. Ray Helm could either be prosecuted or he could surrender his license to police. Ray Helm decided to bargain his badge when he filed this permanent surrender form here last week, walking away from law enforcement for the rest of his life. Have you made mistakes in running this office? Why won't you stop and talk to us? I mean,
because right now I'm trying to get into a forum, okay? I've already answered your questions. Dennis, these guys got to go.
This was the only time we've ever been able to question Constable Ray Helm about the list of allegations against him. We found him at this candidate forum in February, just 1 week before investigators with the Texas Commission on Law Enforcement descended upon Helm's office. They were there to question him about whether he faked training records from this drone video shoot. Helm claimed it was state-certified training. Turns out Helm and his deputies were simply actors in an advertisement.
I hope nobody's trying to burn me in this office, but
Ray, the only one that's burning you, bro, is you.
One of those deputies was Donnie Torres. Torres recorded a call between himself and Helm 2 days before investigators showed up in Wimberley. That call is now part of the official case file. The TCOL report shows Helm was calling deputies who were on this shoot, trying to get them to go along with a story that the drone video production was really law enforcement training. Torres said he found out from another deputy that Helm was planning to fire him if he didn't go along with the story.
We did a class for over 10 hours that day, and I gave 5 hours of classroom credit. And when you tell me I don't remember,
Okay, I don't, Ray. All I remember is sitting there. We filmed a commercial. We're sitting in our trucks the whole time, and then you called us back, and we had to go back there at nighttime. I didn't fly the thing. I didn't do anything with it. So I'm sorry. I don't remember any of this. I'm not doing it intentionally trying to harm you in any way.
That's the story I need you to stick to.
The investigative report shows Ray Helm ultimately confessed to faking the training records just days before TCOL came to town.
About the outcome is that it's not the outcome that you and I would get if we were under investigation and confessed and faced all the evidence that they being the AG's office and TCOL, have against Ray Helm.
3 of Helm's deputies hired San Marcos attorney Chevo Pastrano during the investigation. Pastrano was in the room when he says the Attorney General's office picked up the phone and made Helm a deal to bargain his badge.
The deal that was offered to him was really simple. It's either one, surrender your license for life and resign from your elected position, or you would face criminal prosecution for a multitude of felonies. But is it enough? It's hard to answer that question because there's some good points to the deal. We have a bad officer who's off the streets. But on the other hand, is it equal justice? I don't think that it's equal justice.
Well, we asked for interviews from both Attorney General Ken Paxton's office and TCOL. We wanted both to explain their reasons for not pursuing a prosecution in this case. Neither agreed to an interview or explained why they resolved this case in this way. Ray Helm, though, has never responded to any request for an interview in this investigation. From the Attorney General's office, Jody Barr, KXAN Investigates.
And despite losing his license and resigning, Ray Helm is still leading the constable's office. Hays County Commissioner's Court called an emergency meeting today to appoint Helm's replacement, but the Commissioner's Court could not draw a quorum after only the county judge and one commissioner showed up for the meeting. Without a quorum, they could not make any decisions on replacing Ray Helm.
Deals like this happen all the time in Texas. We discovered that during our Bargaining the Badge investigation last year. We uncovered hundreds of deals between Texas district attorneys and peace officers facing prosecution, and 297 cases where Texas officers were accused of crimes, only 12 served prison time. Those deals allowed some officers charged with serious felonies to leverage their licenses to avoid prison. Some avoided prosecution altogether. You can read that entire report on our website under the Investigate section at KXAN.com.